Hi everyone, this is Ali Asgar and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to make an amazing fish variety, that is fish masala. I'm going to make it as easy as possible, even the beginners can try it at home. So let's get started. So I'm going to clean the fish pieces, adding 1 tablespoon of salt into the water, which will increase the effect of cleaning. So I'm going to remove all the clotted blood and dirt out of the fish pieces, rubbing it together, taking all the dirty out. Once the process is complete, I'm going to transfer it to a strainer to get it drained. Now I'm going to prepare the vegetables for my fish masala. For that I've taken a couple of onion. I'm going to chop the cilantros, and I've taken 2 pieces of tomatoes and some curry leaves and 3-4 pieces of green chilies. Let's have a look at the ingredients used to make the fish masala. Begin with the black pepper powder, it's coriander, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, turmeric, the whole fenugreek, and garam masala, soaked tamarind, and salt. These are the only vegetables required for this recipe. Couple of roughly chopped onion, tomatoes, green chilies, curry leaves, and chopped cilantros. This is the kind of fish I'm going to use it for the recipe. It is called barracuda fish. I think it's commonly available in all the markets. I'm adding half cup of oil into a clay pot. Well, I love cooking in the clay pot because of various reasons. The foremost, it tastes better and the flavor intact, and I'm going to lose any of these nutrients. So the oil is heated up. I'm going to add the whole fenugreek seeds into the oil. Once it's crackling, you need to wait till it gets a brown color. Then I'm going to add the onion into it. You are looking for a super thick fine gravy. It's important to saute the onion till you get a light brown color. I always add a little amount of salt while frying out the onion. It takes out the extra moisture from the onion and make the onion cooking faster. Need to keep stirring it till it get a light brown color. So time you can close the lid and repeat the process. Once the oil gets separate from the onion, I'm going to add a little amount of garlic ginger paste. So I'm going to stir it again. Once the garlic ginger paste is cooked well, I'm going to add rest of my vegetable ingredients into it. So I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes into it, followed by the green chilies, and it goes the curry leaves. So I'm going to mix it well again. To make sure these tomatoes are cooked properly, get very fine gravy out of it. Once all the ingredients are mixed properly, it's better to close the lid so that a good amount of steam created inside the pot. And it's going to cook faster inside the steam. The tomatoes and all the other vegetables get softened faster, which we can create a very nice, thick gravy out of it. There are a few things you need to be focused when you are cooking in a clay pot. First thing, make sure that you're going to set the flame in a medium heat, otherwise it might get burnt. I'm going to add my ingredients. Start with chili powder. I'm going to add turmeric powder, followed by coriander powder. It's about 1 tablespoon of 1 heaping spoon of coriander powder. Yeah, this is half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, followed by garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt you can always adjust according to your taste. So I'm gonna blend it all together. I think one of the tips to get great food, great taste of food, is to make sure that the masalas, the spices and ingredients are mixed together, it's coated together, cooked well, so that you get a great food. You can have a super food. The ingredients are cooked very nicely. I can get a beautiful aroma out of it. So right now I'm gonna add this tamarind water into it. This tamarind was initially soaked in water for like 10 or 15 minutes. Then I have strained out the tamarind pieces. Now this is only the liquid goes in it. And again mixing it, again coating it well with the other ingredients. Just make sure that this tamarind flavor is well coated with, well mixed with the other ingredients. Now this is how the texture look like. I have closed the lid for some time, opened it again. Now I'm adding half a cup of water into it. I'm not adding a lot of water. I'm not trying to make a curry out of it. I don't want too much of watery. So this is how the texture look like. You need to give it up a very good mix to make sure that the gravy is more fine. So this is the point I'm going to add all my fish pieces into it. I'm going to carefully mix it right now, trying to get the gravy on top of the fish pieces. For a fish recipe, you don't mix it too many times, it might break the fish pieces. The best way to mix it, you're going to place the spatula at the bottom of the clay pot, then slowly move it around. That will not break the fish pieces. I'm going to mix it very gently, but I need to make sure that the masala reach out of every part of the fish pieces. So at this point I'm going to slow down the heat at the maximum level. Then I'm going to close the lid, let it cook for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes I have removed the lid and this is how it looks. Gonna give a very gentle stir. Need to do it very carefully. The fish is almost cooked. Just need to move it around. Just try to get the gravy everywhere. So once the mixing is done, I'm gonna switch off the flame. I'm gonna close the lid and keep it for another couple of minutes. Another important thing cooking in a clay pot, even after switching off the flame, it remains the heat for some more time. You can see the flame is off, but still the food is cooking. You can see the boil. The cooking process is almost finished, and this is how the final recipe looks like. Okay, there's one more important thing left with. A very little garnishing part is left with, so I'm gonna add these chopped coriander leaves into it. Our fish masala is ready to serve right now. So I'm gonna open the lid. This is how the final recipe look like. Gonna slowly serve to a plate. Yeah. So today I'm going to try my fish masala along with caboose. It create a great combination. So I hope all of you have enjoyed my video. If you like my channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comment or suggestion, you can write it down. I'm open for the suggestions. Thanks.